How to use dual audio mode for Samsung flagship phones with Android 14 One UI 6.0. So dual audio mode allows you to connect or pair up two Bluetooth devices that are not of the same brand, and this will only work for flagship tier Samsung phones and not every Samsung phone. So to get started, you'll want to go ahead into the quick panel access here and make sure you have the media output settings shown at any given time. Okay, so you'll go here, go to device control settings and show when quick panel is collapsed. Okay, now once this is all set, basically on the first pull down, you'll see this option here, the media output option right here, and we'll need that in a moment after pairing up the two devices. So now while here, long press the Bluetooth icon or just look for the Bluetooth toggle here. You'll see this happen here. Go into details so you can get a better view mode of what you are connecting. So now we'll turn this on and connect our very first Bluetooth device. I'll pair up the JBL speaker. You go ahead and connect your first Bluetooth device like you normally would. So I'm waiting for the speaker to show up as I'm trying to pair it. Let's wait for the flip 4 here. All right, so I'll pair it up now. And now we'll go ahead and pair up the next device here. So this one in particular here will need a specific way to pair it up. So we'll go ahead and hold this down here, get into pairing mode. All right, and then we'll scan it. And you'll be doing the same thing with your other Bluetooth capable device. Okay, so I'll see mine here, I'll tap on it. I'll press on the pairing option, press pair. And then it's going to show that it's connected, okay? And then now to know if your Samsung phone in particular has the dual audio mode, you'll notice when you first connect both of them, it's going to say connected, meaning that it can run the two Bluetooth devices. Now that that's all said and done, to run and actually just simply continue with the dual audio mode, you can use this quick panel access here. Go to media output, which is what we'll be needing to make changes to the dual audio mode, because once you're in this view mode here, the last paired device will be shown here as connected, but you want to also toggle the next Bluetooth device that's connected by tapping on this. So go ahead and check that in, and you'll now notice you're able to control the volumes of both devices here at the same time. You can also control the volumes if your Bluetooth device has that. So I'll bring down the volume here. You'll notice how it's going down, and you'll also see the volume control here. I would love to play a song for you so you can hear them playing together at the same time or what, but the YouTube has been very strict lately and kind of gives it a hard time with copyright issues. But you'll see as I'm controlling the volumes here on both devices, the volume controls are going up and down, okay? And you can also access the controls from here. But just be sure that you have checked the both circles here so that they both run at the same time. For some of us, it may not be perfectly synced. What I find is that restarting your phone would kind of help with it, but it won't be as perfect as you would want it to be. But it's a cool feature. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.